Hello everybody, my name is Aaron from the Sibling Rivalry channel, and today we've got the Wowstick. This is an electric screwdriver that I purchased from Banggood, if I want to, I believe it was Banggood or AliExpress. We'll have it linked down below. I'm pretty sure it was Banggood. And yeah, we're going to do a quick review of this for you. Alright, so this screwdriver is electric, like I said in the intro. It's got a nice aluminum body, pretty decent gearbox in here. They kind of advertise it as being like an assisted screwdriver, and like you would kind of work with the motor to your advantage as like a ratcheting thing, but I find that's kind of dumb. It doesn't actually have a ratcheting effect like they say. It's just a gearbox in there. It's pretty simple in its construction. There's a little cap here that you can use a coin or your finger to remove. It's aluminum. And on the inside, we've just got two AAA batteries. It's really, really simple. There's not much to this. I think it has overcurrent protection, if I'm not mistaken. They didn't really list anything in the specs. I paid about 25 bucks for it, so I was more like, ooh, cool, neat thing. And it came with a set of bits. Now, the bits are interesting. You've got all your standard stuff. They also have a, I'm just gonna open this to show you what they've got, rather than just talking about it. It all comes on this like metal post here. I actually did this myself where I popped it through here just to kind of make it a little easier. There's a little hole in the caps. Yeah, you've got like some security bits like this guy. Hopefully that shows up. But they also, oddly enough, have a bit which is meant for taking out a SIM card. And you don't rotate these. They're usually just in there for like, you just, like I know my IFIXIT toolkit came with one. And it's meant more like you put it in a screwdriver handle and you just poke it into the phone. So I don't know why they felt the need to include that with this, other than maybe they just had a bunch lying around. Yeah, it's got your standard stuff. You've got pause drive, you've got common, some Allen keys or hex heads, if you want to call them hex heads, and some Torx at the bottom. The drivers themselves, or the bits I should say, aren't the greatest quality, to be honest. They're good, they're decent, they're better than like stuff that I've bought at the dollar store, but I actually am missing one here, and that's because I was using the flathead or the common screwdriver and it just shattered. It just like straight up shattered. I wasn't doing anything ridiculous with it, I was literally unscrewing a screw and it just, and yeah, that was it. I've had this for, what, about a year now, and it works great. Honestly, like I actually just throw it in my backpack so that I've always got a screwdriver on me in case I need it, because you never know when you're gonna need a screwdriver. Yeah, it's been solid. I don't think I've actually changed the batteries in this since I got it, and they're literally these cheapy Panasonic lead acid, carbon zinc, which are like the cheapest batteries you can buy. I think I literally bought the batteries at the dollar store, or maybe like a convenience store. They're more just like whatever I had lying around. I threw them in there to see how long they would last. And so far that has been over a year. Now I don't use it constantly. I have my IFIXIT driver set, like I said, which is like the full Manta set that comes with like every bit possible. I still like to use that for my general deconstruction or assembly stuff. But if I am doing multiple screws, like a repeated sort of thing, or just tearing something apart, or tearing it down, this is my go-to. We'll have a link down below, like I said, for this. I think they have a new version of it, and I know I've seen a few people with them, and they've said that they're really good, but I haven't seen any reviews about this, so hopefully if you were looking into this, this review will help you decide if it's for you or if it's not. What I would personally suggest, get the screwdriver. The bits are kind of take it or leave it. I would just say buy some good quality Hardened steel bits. I know iFixit sells their bits separately, and they're made in Germany. They're like really good quality. Never had any issues with them. I've had them actually longer than I've had this, and zero issues. Other than the bits being stronger than the screws sometimes and accidentally stripping screws. But that's no fault to the drivers. That's me and the screws at fault there. So if this video was informative to you in any way, shape, or form, please let us know in the comments down below, or give us a thumbs up or thumbs down. Any criticism is greatly appreciated. If you want to see more reviews or unboxings or similar stuff, we have some that we might link somewhere around here, possibly at the end card even. And make sure that you're subscribed so you don't miss out on any of our future content. We've got Dark Souls and Resident Evil 3 ongoing, and we've got a few other things in the works, and hopefully we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching our video. Bye for now.